lumagi. And
I am
four years old.
I am
Junior Kindergarten.
I am
I am
laksan mo.
4 years
I
old.
am a boy.
I am a boy.
I
Study. I study.
at
Ano sa school?
ano pa? I am
I am
in
junior kindergarten.
ano pa? My
ano? My teacher
is
Mrs. Dayauna.